How to bypass FOP Google account lock in a short amount of time. If you factory reset or flash your phone, this lock is activated when the phone turns on. To remove this lock, run the Hydra tool and select the phone model. Power off the phone. Click on Boot Info. Hold down the volume down button and connect the phone to the computer. From the Service tab, select the Reset FOP option and begin the operation. Now it's time to see the result on the phone.